Okay, I'm from group 2-1. The the to explain about regular servicing or cleaning the air filter. Next, okay, number one, open the hood. Next, before opening opening the hood, make sure the car engine is turned off and the engine temperature is uh, is still coil. Okay, next.
Ventilation of the air filter box. Generally, the ventilation of the air filter box is very easy to identify. It has black rectangular space and is located at the top of the machine.
Okay, next, open the air filter box. The air usually way to open it depending on the shape of the car air filter box. The air to walk have to open it using a screwdriver, and the air also to go on it to open the lid.
Okay, number 5, close the filter box again. Finally, if you have confirmed that the box air installed correctly, okay, that's all from group 2. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.